Dance all nice again. John, Kiva, Stacy. Run go tell your friend. Do what you feel like. Hey, no long talking. It's a dance all night tonight. We're gonna have some fun tonight. Rasta them out tonight. Listen to me. This Rasta you have more kids than Ninja Man. There's no way. How Rasta behave so? No, sir. I don't care if YouTube strike me for the music. I hope not, but I cannot remove the music. And I have to see why the Rasta behave so. And a big man now. Me know say a Rasta wife, baby mother, woman, whatever he have, watch him like a shark. You see boss waistline? It's elastic. Anyways, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, last night video. One ninja man I could have never two. Yeah man, and tonight we as Jamaicans, we're not real people. Jamaica is not a real place, so we're going there tonight. Yeah man. First of all though, like the video, share it, subscribe, click the notification bell, like it again. Secondly, if you're a Christian, skip this video. If you're a family member, skip this video. And if you're my child, skip.
Yeah, no, so I go around and ask some questions. What go on, my G? What go on, my G? Yeah, man. What do you say your biggest problem is, my G?
My biggest problem?
Yeah.
When me was dead and me nah no money. My biggest problem that. Yeah. Me was dead and me nah no money and my problem that. But differently me nah no problem. You see me?
No woman in your problem.
No man. From me and money man, me nah no problem man. Me can go buy a girl man and watch her.
Yeah.
I don't think no girl tight like me and man. If me can't get no free food in a back piece man.
Yeah.
Back piece I come back in a style like LA Gear and Patrick Ewing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if my hood dead, my problem that. Girl can't, no woman and my problem. Woman come and go, you know, like money.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So most of the man never make woman be them problem. I chew them a idiot. Them don't know what go on. Yeah man, if my hood dead tomorrow morning man, I go hang. Hang me go hang man.
No sir, this man a real drama man. The man say rather hang if him penis dead. The man say woman no feel problem. He have Miss Palm and her 5 fingers, her 5 daughters. I say you go, brother, that's not healthy for you. That is one of the reasons why your penis dead. Studies show say masturbation can cause irregular erectile dysfunction. Yeah. So brother, yeah, use your hand too much. You need to give your hand a break. Anyways, Jamaicans, we are not real people. Jamaica is not a real place. I tell you, I kid you not. You look like Michael Jackson reach a foreign man. Watch what I go on there, so.
I'm a killer.
Gun boss of course, killer I am a killer, gun papa off the most, rich long time, when I mix and mingle.
Tell him.
Remember me full of chicks like Pinkle, move them a thick and sinker. Tip, 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 come for that fucker girl, tip, 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 me go beat up a pussy, me go beat up a pussy, me go beat up a pussy well bad.
No.
Beat it! Beat it! No, you wanna beat it! Show them how to fuck it. Show them how to fuck it. This matter. Billie Jean is not my lover. She kissed the girl. I am the one.
I am lost for words. Words from my mouth have lost. I cannot comprehend what I just listened to. I cannot comprehend what I just watched. I'm in shock. I'm not in awe. Hey, from here look about the always a Michael Jackson. This is Michael Jackson here. Is the worst Michael Jackson we ever see evolve. Talk it truth. Man don't know one song, not Michael Jackson, Move, nothing. Boss didn't even know a Massacre. I don't know a Massacre song in about. Big up yourself, Massacre. Are you win this clash me here? I don't listen to nice song them yet. I need to go listen to them. But anyways, I think me have to go remove the music from this I want about Sharp Boss I go on with himself. Yeah man, big up yourself, Sharp Boss. Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry by me drink out your eye. Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry by me drink out your eye. Hey, Sharp Boss, body no, watch them moves there. You don't have moves like a Sharp Boss no. Foot movement, shoulder movement, hand movement, walk movement, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry by me drink out your. Hey, hold them Sharp Boss. No, what that's called? That is not stir fry. That is short move, deli move, foot move, hand groove. Listen me. Short Boss. But from what day, Short Boss just take over the whole internet. Right now, Jamaica internet belong to him. Yeah, man. The boss can dance, man. He better than me because the only thing he can do is stir fry. Stir fry. Stir fry so the chicken them dry. Anyways, this a big money. Him gone a river, gone take on activity way. Him not ready for. Him not fit feet. But guess what? He gonna learn today. Had to mute the sound because it contained music, but basically Big's friends in the background, they are boots up Biggs like a supper gent. Biggs him no recognize say yo, this activity was not for him. He is too big feet and watch what happened to Biggs. Biggs coming like a one plane we take off and just could not go up in the air and drop down back. Boof! Look how everybody a laugh at Biggs. Biggs, Jano Stark. Someone please call 911. Someone just got shot down. What a wicked act, man. The man them set up Biggs for failure and Biggs still take a bait like a fish. Biggs. Biggs, you need new friends, father. Yeah, man, you need new friends. Those are not real friends. Those are fake friends. But anyway, that was a good laugh. You see, in a life, you must know what you can do from what you can do. Don't pick up what you can manage. Bigger. You're too big for that. Anyways, this man I know. Better watch and see what going.
20. No. Where you say you're 24? Yeah. Are you still a virgin, Tony? 20. When I get the pum pum, what you do with it? You guys. Yeah? What are you going to do with the pum pum, Tony? What are you going to do with it?
When Tony get the vagina, Tony's gonna laugh so till he cry. Don't mix up Tony and no vagina business. Tony just wanna live his life. Listen, you see, vagina is a nice thing, but vagina sometimes it make your life go downhill. Yeah, man. 2024, that was 2024 teach me a lesson that I have learned over the years about woman and vagina. But it took 2024 for really teach me a wicked piece of lesson, man. Yeah, man. Last year, I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a wife. I don't have a situationship. I don't have nothing. I didn't go on a date. Nothing. And your boy had the best year in 10 years. Last year was the best year I've had since I live in the United States. I live from 2015, so 10 years that, yeah. Yeah, man. Sometimes, big up all of my subscribers with a woman. But sometimes, as a man, you have to just put yourself first and just put woman aside. Not even put them at last, but just put them aside. And work on yourself, work on your finances. And when you think up, you make this stay over to see you because then we gotta come take everything. Big up yourself, everybody. All of my ladies, them. We appreciate you guys watching. Hope you had a laugh. If you did have a laugh, like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell. Per usual, stay safe. The cheer better, man. God bless.